Hi, my name is Satyajit and I'm about to demonstrate one of my mail utilities. I call it the chain creator. Uh, this is the utility, this is the interface. It's a very simple one. There are not too many inputs, there are just three of them: the curve, the node and the duplicates. Now let me explain. The curve. In this you specify which curve is to be treated as the ribbon of the tank. Say I have already created the curve and the bit of the chain. These are three different units grouped together under one group, which is the name of the group is chain bit and the name of this ribbon is ribbon. I load this ribbon on this curve and I load this group in this node, in the node field, ribbon in the curve field, and the bits of the chain in this node field. Now, how many duplicates do I want along this ribbon? Say I want 50. Let's see if 50 can fill this up. Okay, I got 50 duplicates, but not in the orientation I wanted. So I'll have to change the orientation. I'll go to the component mode and rotate it so that it attains proper orientation. Yes, it's got its proper orientation. Now the number seems a little less. Let's crank it up to 70. 70 is fine. Now what we have here are 70 different units. These are 70 different units on a path with this motion path. Now in order to move these bits along this chain, we need to animate this U value, but for that there are 70 different U values. How are we going to control it? For that purpose a script needs to be written which will control the U values of these 70 units and which should hook these U values of these 70 different units to a single attribute. For which for this purpose I have this button. What pressing this button will do will create a script. It will generate a script that will hook up all these 70 which will hook up all these 70 units to a single object or to a single control object. Let's see what it does. I press this button. It created a locator. As you can see, it created a locator. Now what we have are here two new attributes, slide and factor. Slide is used to slide this chain on this path like this. When you scrub, this will slide. And factor, it's a divider. Thus, if the slide is happening too fast or too slow, you can increase or decrease it accordingly to change the speed. See, the sliding is happening very slowly and calmly. This is the script. This is a simple script written specifically for this task to control the sliding of chain bits around a ribbon of a tank. Doing it manually is a very long and tedious task and might not even get correct. The only good thing about scripting is that the precision is always maintained. You always have good precision. This is the script. This is the name of the script, chain creator. That's my name. This is the source code for the script. Here the nitty-gritty is what's happening, what's going down there. Anyway, that's it. This is the chain and you can move it around, rotate it. You can hook up the translation of this path with the slide of this to give it an illusion of motion, so that when you move the path, the chain slides and it looks as if the chain is sliding on itself. I have a working example which is coming right next.